Opening on the 1st of July 1899 as Burnham Beeches railway station, Burnham finally came to its name on the 1st of September 1930, becoming Burnham, Buckinghamshire, until the 5th of May 1975, and then simply became known as Burnham. National Rail, though, variously refers to this station as Burnham, Buckinghamshire and Burnham, Berkshire, as the border is situated literally on the station. The station was closed as a First World War economy measure from the 2nd of April 1917. This was until the 3rd of March 1919. So we shall get things started with 345062. Departing with the 0948 TfL rail service from London Paddington to Reading. Running about 10 minutes late, 802.003 and 802.019. Work 1 Alpha 73 from Penzance to London Paddington. On the slow line, 387155 and 387156. Work 2 November 20 from London Paddington to Dinkett Parkway. Running about 5 minutes late, 802.006. Working 1 Alpha 12 from Taunton to London Paddington. And taking us both by surprise, 800.304. Working 1 Bravo 9 from London Paddington to Swansea. Next through, 800.018. Working 1 Whiskey 01 from London Paddington to Hereford. Next up, 387-150 and 387-167. Working 2 Papa 34 from Dinkett Parkway to London Paddington. Another on the fast now as 800.023 passes. Working 1 Papa 20 from Worcester Shrub Hill to London Paddington. Through the heat and the haze comes another freight train as 66571 works 6A62 from Acton Lane reception sidings to Feel Hanson. Arriving on the slow line is 345046, working the 10:11 TfL rail service from Reading to London Paddington. On the fast line is 800 321, working 1 Charlie 09 from London Paddington to Bristol Temple Meads.
Does not stop here.
Working an ECS from Reading to Old Oak Common is 345039.
The next train to arrive at Taplow, Maidenhead.
Next up, 802111 flies northbound, working 1 Charlie 76 from London Paddington to Penzance.
The front 8 coaches. Passengers for Maidenhead and Twyford should board the front 7 coaches.
And as 802113 flies southbound, working 1874 from Paignton to London Paddington, here comes our train, 345051, working the 1018 TfL rail service from London Paddington to Reading. Thank you so much for watching, everyone. If you enjoyed what you saw, click on the 2 videos here at the end screen. Helps out the channel. Also, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe if you are new and got this far. And we'll see you all in the next video, folks, wherever that may take us. We'll see you then, folks.